Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about a topic that is increasingly common nowadays, and that is have you ever noticed around your mates, around your roommates, college mates, anyone who is wearing glasses, and how many of them wearing glasses, like including me as well. And you can see that there are numerous people who wearing glasses, like in our classrooms, in colleges, in everyday life. Okay, and it become a part of our everyday life, and that's why we are not asking questions related to that what is happening, why this is increasing, and no one is noticing that is increasing rapidly. And we should focus on that because these are the windows to the world. Okay, if you don't have eyes, how you are watching the windows of the world and how to take care of that? So it's very necessary to know that what is the reason behind this issue. So first of all, let's about what are the problems arises now, or what are the conditions created that increase this type of trending in the early childhood, or mainly myopia, that is short sightedness, is increasingly common as comparison to hypermetropia, that is long sightedness. So why it is happening? So first reason behind that is, we all know that increasing screen time. Day by day, the use of screens, laptops, uh, mobile phones and tablets, of course everyone is exposed to that. Even a young child are exposed to screens very early age, like I think so. It depend on the parent to parent as well. Okay, because most of the parents are very careless, and they don't know that this is good for their child eyesight, and no. So that's why most of the children are getting very early, getting specs. Okay, recently I noticed a child who is 5 years old and wears specs. Okay, having a problem like headaches, dry eyes, watery eyes. These type of issues can be easily created because you are not noticing them. Okay, so first point is that screen time. And after the pandemic, we noticed that of course online classes become the norm. That's why most of the screen time can lead to damage to our eyes. And yes, that is permanent damage, because most rarely we can go back to our new eyes, because it is something like you are devastating and depreciating your eyes. Okay, until you are not, you can stop, yes, you can stop your eyesight view. For example, there is a different type of power as well, and when you stop it, but you can't go reverse. Okay, when you are so much at high rate. Second thing is that more prone to inner areas like indoor work. Okay, lack of outdoor games in early time. Many actually in early ages, like early ages, I'm not talking about the Sangam age and the Chalukyas age. I'm talking about before, after, before 10 years. Okay, so 10 years or 15 years earlier, we are not that much prone. Why? First of all, this gadget, that is, this technology is not widely used, and the games and the video games are not that much popular, and even not everyone can accommodate that. So this is also a reason that they don't have the option. They have a single option to play, that is play with their friends outside. Okay, and that is a very good activity, because you are prone to natural light, and also outdoor games makes you aware about some different types of things. Okay, and relate with the nature and activities, sweat, uh, like there are so many things. Even maintain your physical physique as well. Okay, apart from this, next third thing is that deficiency of some vitamins, because we are not taking part. First of all, vitamin C, vitamin A, we are reducing it, and not proper food taking. Okay, and more prone to junk food. That's why we are we lose that capability of some vitamins that is very necessary for our eyes. So that is also a huge issue behind that. Apart from this, what is the point? What is the fourth point? Continuously watching also, okay, and studying in dim light. Most of the children, even I also, in my class 7th or 8th, I study in dim light, poor light, okay, at 7 or 8 p.m. because most of the work left, and I write very slowly. So it is very tough for me to write so fast. So I just work in slow dim light, and everyone is sleeping, and I just work, okay, completed my work. So that is also very bad thing for me, because studying in dim light and keenly, you are just into your books, okay, matlab very closely noticing your book without blinking is also a reason, okay. And that's also a big reason. Or nowadays also many students, I also notice that they are very close to their books when they are read or write, okay. That is not very good, because you should distance your vision to the things, okay, that makes your eyes good. So that is the only reasons. And yes, the simple reason in all the problem is your lifestyle and your structure of daily life or daily things nowadays changes, okay. Now you are more focusing on the indoor things, you are most focusing on the sitting on the chair. Apart from the, you have to run, you have to do things, you are not into that, okay. And you should know that yes, a room light is very small as comparison to the natural light of sun. That's why we our eyes need that much exposure of light, okay. At least 30 or 1 hour need our eyes need that light, okay. That's why we say that indoors, if you open your room, every light, okay, maybe 12, 15, how many lights, but it is not that much compared when you compare with the natural light of sun, okay. So that is a thing that you should. That's why most of the parents and older uh, older parents also trying to us that yes, you should sit at least 30 minutes on the uh, sun, okay. That gives you some vitamins and gives you a necessary things, okay. And we are not into that. So next thing, that what are the problem faced by the children or people who have this myopia or any type of thing using glasses. First thing is that they suffer with some challenges related to their eye vision, okay. For example, they can easily get headaches and dry eyes, watery eyes, okay, and rubbing their eyes. So these type of problems can easily noticed in the children who wearing spectacles. Second thing is concentration. Also, you can't feel that much concentrated when you wear specs. It's not give you that much type of satisfaction, okay. Third thing is that yes, it's a peer's burden also, because when you feel less confident when you wear glasses, okay. Because most of the children uh, nowadays everyone wears, so no one torturize you or um, making mock of you. But yes, there are some who make mock of you just because you are wearing that. So that is also a reason behind underconfident and less confident childs. And fourth point, I can't remember that. I don't remember. Next, what are the solutions? Okay, this is the thing that I am also waiting. That what is the reason that this spec gonna be stay away from me? That is not the perfect solution. Okay, again I say that it is a thing that you can go further, but you can't get back so easily. Okay, and if you get so much long distance, then you have to do eye surgery, okay, laser surgery. So apart from this, what are the basic solution that you can stop, okay, even it is not getting increase? First, decide or make the routine that you have to sit 1 hour or 30 minutes in the exposure of sunlight. That is very necessary. Your eyes need that exposure, okay. Second thing is that 20 20 20 rules. means you have to every 20 minutes you have to look something 20 feet away for 20 seconds, so that your exercise is gonna be do that. Okay. Third thing is that maintain your healthy diet. Add some leafy vegetables, green vegetables, and something that is very good for eyes, and you have to take this like vitamin C mainly. Okay. Fourth thing is that you should play outdoor games. You should play. You don't have to play indoor games. You don't have to watch everything to that much closer to your eyes. So watch everything from a farther away. And yes, noticing children as well. Okay, if you are a parent, then you have to notice your children, that how much, mainly according to me, until 5 or 6 years, it is very good that stay your children away from mobile phones, because it is really not that good. And if he or she uses, then fix their time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes. More than that you don't have to give. Okay. So this is a must thing if you want that child to be healthy, growthable. And okay. And but yes, there is also one point. This is called genetics. Okay. Some children have that genetics, so because of genetics they are suffering with that. But why we have to worsen it? Okay. I'm not saying that if you have a poor genetics, you should wear it. No, it makes you worse as well. Okay. Genetics can cause you only this type of thing, but if you make it worse, that are the pathways, are the simple problems, and you have to work on the solutions. And solutions are same, uh, everything. Okay. You should maintain your proper diet, you should maintain your everything, so that you can stop the where you are. Okay. And please don't normalize it. It is not normal. Okay. And yes, the data driven shows, okay, data shows that by 2050 half of the population wearing glasses. Okay. So now according to me, I'm waiting for 2100, when we are half of the population, most full of the population is gonna be. So it is better to make the treatments, to go through the treatments and working on that, so that we are reducing it. If we are trending these issues, then 2050 half of the population is going to be wearing glasses. So that I don't want. Okay. Because this is something like very expensive also. Okay. When you get this thing, you have an laser surgery, and if it is not do, every 6 months you have to go for a treatment, and you have to check your eyes. And this is also okay. And if you study some more than 8 hours or 9 hours, you get that headache. Okay. Because you have weak eyes, you can't get retain that much. Okay. This is also a very serious issue. So that is also very noticeable thing. And apart from this, thank you so much. Mm-mm.